So I'm going to do a technique of overlay called false embroidery. It's only called false embroidery because it appears like it's done after the basket is done, but it is in fact done in the process. It can be done on either an S-twist plain twined basket or a Z-twist plain twine basket. And there are several traditions that do the false embroidery on each one, different one. So I'll show the Z-twist first. The Z-twist basket has a down to the right slant on the twines. The false embroidery will appear to be up to the right. What happens is a flat non-structural piece wraps around the front twining strand, which then takes a stitch. The same flat piece wraps around the alternate one. And that one then takes a stitch, a twined stitch. And it continues that way, up to the right, wrapping on the false embroidery, and down to the right, or Z-twist, on the twining. This technique can be done with many soft materials such as corn husk or bear grass or split grass stem. And sometimes these do not entirely cover and you get gaps showing here, in which case occasionally the weaver will wrap a couple of times, 1, 2, around there in order to get full coverage. But that's less common. It's more common to have just this and have it fit pretty much exactly along there and cover that up completely. If I'm doing S-twist twining, I am going to take this strand and do a Z-twist wrap under and up, and then S-twist on this. This will come in a downward direction, or Z-twist on the false embroidery. And then the twining itself is S-twist. This creates the same effect as before, only precisely the opposite. The twining underneath here is S-twist. The false embroidery is Z-twist. I have a corn husk Sally bag here that's done in twining. Focus in on the twining down here. It's Z-twist, or down to the right. Some weavers call it underneath, underhand. But if you look at this, the texture on this, and zoom in close on this, each corn husk is false embroidery. Each false embroidery stitch is up to the right. I have this lovely Alaskan Yakutat Sitka basket here, where this is down to the right. It's very fine, so you're going to have to zoom in on that. And the false embroidery is up to the right also.